This
package.
conference will now be recorded.
So packages here. So whenever I'm talking about a package, okay. So in order to define a package, if I have to define a package is a package is a collection of so package is a collection of classes interfaces uh, sub-interfaces sub-packages. Okay, a package is a collection of classes, interfaces, sub-packages, etc. Like annotation and all those things also will be there under the package. So for us, if you look at it, it's just a folder. So if you look at or if you say a package, the package is just a folder. Package is just a folder. So whenever you say package, in our computer it is just a folder. It's just a folder. Okay. In OS, in an OS or okay, I will say in computer system, a package is nothing but a folder. The package is nothing but a folder. Just a folder. Just a folder. Okay. So in that folder, the classes will be there, interface will be there, and all those subpackage. Subpackage means again subfolder. So literally it is a folder. Computer system, and computer system is a package is nothing but a small folder. So in a folder, as you keep files, as you keep all the things related to not only Java, so things related to suppose you have images, you create in HTML we have seen, no? So images folder, CSS folder, like that you create folder. So in the same way for keeping Java elements, we create folder. Yes, but how different these are from normal folders is so we can import them. What we can do? We can import them, right? Okay. So it is nothing but a folder. Okay. So we can import these import the packages. Import the packages and reuse the component. Reuse the component. So what we can do? We can import those packages and we can reuse the component. We can reuse the component. So we can import the packages and we can reuse the component. So basically packages are like for storing the thing and whenever we want we can reuse. Whenever we want we can reuse. Right? So that is what. In Java, we two types of packages. In Java we have two types of packages. So first one, predefined package. So the first one, predefined package. Predefined package. And the second one is user-defined package. User-defined predefined package and the user-defined package. So whenever I'm talking about predefined package. What is a predefined package? A package which is already available in the predefined package is a package which is already available in the program Yeah, it is already available. Already available. So what we can do? What we can do? What we can do with that? We can reuse it. We can reuse it. We can import it. So package which is already available in the program environment with a collection of classes, interfaces, packages, etc. Okay, it's a collection of classes, interfaces, packages. So we need to import. What we need to do? Import these packages. We need to import these packages and reuse the elements. Reuse the component. Reuse the component. Right? So we need to import these packages and reuse the component. Reuse the component. Am I clear? Yes? Okay. So whenever I am talking about the predefined package or this, so what I'm talking about? I'm talking about using, reusing. I'm talking about using and reusing. So how we use and reuse basically? We use and reuse with the help of, we use and reuse with the help of what? With the help of import. With the help of import. Getting my point? Okay. So with the help of what? With the help of the import. So how we import and all we'll see, but we'll see some of the examples. Okay, so we'll see some of the examples, something like java.lang package, java.lang package. So this is the default package. So if you don't create it also, it is already there. It is a default package. It is a default package. So who are available sir here? Java.lang. So which class is available? You know the famous class, object class. So object class is the parent of all the classes. Yes. Okay. So that is why it is a default package. Default package. So Java.lang is there. So object is automatically there. Object is automatically there. So you have string. Okay. So you have system. Who are all these? All these are the elements which are uh, which belong to which one? Which belong to the java.lang package. Which belong to which package? Java.lang package. Getting my point? Yes. So they all belong to which package, sir? Java.lang package. Java.lang package. Sir, any other one? Yes. So java.util package. Java.util package. So whenever we are talking about util package, so java.util package. So in the util, you have something like scanner. Okay, so you have something like list. So you have something like array list. So who are they? They are all the members of which package? Java.util. So this is by default there, but this is not there. No? Now what we need to do in a Java program, if we want to use the scanner or list or array list, what we need to use? Array list, array list. So what we need to do? What we need to do? So we need to import. We need to import. So if in Java program we want to use scanner list or array list, we need to import. What we need to do, sir? We need to import. Which one we need to import? Java.util package. We will import java.util package. How, sir? How can we do that? I'll just say import. Import java.util.scanner. Yes. So what you're doing, you are importing. You are importing. Suppose if I want the array list, what I'll say? Array list. If you want all the classes to be in here, if we want all the classes and all other components to be used in the present program. The present program, we go for, we go for import java.util.start. What do we say? Import java.util.start. What does star mean? Star means all. Star means, so here, star means all. Star means all. Getting my point? So this is how we deal with the classes and the other components. Class and the other components which are there in one package. Okay. So these are all pre-defined. Not only this, so there are so many pieces. Right. So these are pre-defined. Now we will come to the user user defined package. Okay. So we first show you how we can create packages in normal Notepad. Okay. So user defined package. The packages directly went for Eclipse or command prompt you did Java, C, and all. Direct Eclipse. So user defined package. The package which is created by the user or the program. User or the program. The package which is created by the user or the program. The package is created by the user or the program. The user or you can say the program. They are created using a package keyword. Using a package. One example I'll show you on the notepad. Then you will understand. Then you will understand what exactly package is. Then we'll again shift our attention to Eclipse. Okay. Right. So syntax is package followed by the package name. Package followed by the package name. So package is the keyword. Package name, the name of the package. Okay. Now let me write a small program. It's very small program, so we will not waste much of the time in the program. Okay, so I will say package. Okay, so package something like my package. Right? Package says my package. Now in this class, I want to create a class. Local notepad. So public. Okay, so class. I'm saying like pack. Okay, so pack program. Now in this, I will create. So I will just try to do it in my notepad itself. So package my pack public class. I will say the key equal to 5 and y is equal. Then what I will do, I will create a main method. So main method public static provide. main and I'll create the object. I'll create the object. So here, so pack cp is equal to new so pack. So pack. And then I will go system dot out dot print ln. I will say cp dot x plus cp dot y. Okay, cp dot y. I'm saying cp dot x plus cp dot y. Now we need to create a package. Okay, so this line will help you out in creating the package. Now ProPack. How will you save this file? We will save this as propack.java. How will you save this file? Propack.java. Okay, go to file, save as. Okay, so select any one of the folders. Now let's say I will select the Java folder itself, Java file. So here I will be creating Java program. So Java program folder. In this, I will name this as propack.java. Okay, right. So now where is my folder available? So my folder is available here in Java 12 name. And in Java 12 name, I have something like Java Pro. Okay, so Java Pro. Here is my program. Okay. Now the main intention of this program is to create the package. Package means folder. So what that folder should contain? The folder should contain this class. The folder should contain this class. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will go to the command prompt. Okay. So I'll go to the command prompt, and in the command prompt, I will say cd. Okay, C user vehicle somewhere and also Java program. So we'll go into the application. Now I will say Java C minus D minus D. Minus D means destination. You go and sit in the package. You go and sit in the package. Okay. So ProPack, you will give me a class, and that class must be stored in the class must be stored where the class must be stored. Okay. So must be stored in a package. This package, my package. Okay. See the background. Java C minus D. So you will have the ProPack. The name of Java C minus D is ProPack dot Java. ProPack dot Java. Okay. See in the background. So see in the background. Minus D second. So we will cover it. Okay. So now what happened in the background? What happened in the background? What do you observe? What do you observe in the background? So when you said this, propack.java, package is created or not? Did we create that folder? Did we create that folder? No, isn't it? We did not create that folder. So what is done? Automatically that folder got created. Why, sir? Because we said, hey ProPack, you give me package. You give me a package. So you give me a package. Okay. So you give me a package. So I will make you. I'll make you sit in that particular folder. Sit in that particular folder. So you give me a package. I'll make you sit in that particular folder. So that's the meaning of. Okay. Minus D. Minus D means where it has to go. So generally, when you compile this, what you get? You get a class. Yes or no? What we are saying? Minus D means you go to the destination. Which destination? My path. You go to which destination? My path. So under my path, who should go and sit? Who should go and sit? The pro path should go and sit. Who should go and sit? The pro path should go and sit. And what is the pro path? It is a class file. It is a class. Getting my point? Okay. Now, how can I run this? So, in order to run this, you need to say Java. You need to select the interpreter. So, where is the class file? That the class file is here. So, mypath dot topath. Mypath dot topath. So, what you got as the output? You got 8. Why, sir, you got 8? Why you got 8? Why you got 8? So, because we added 5 and 3. We added 5 and 3. So, here we added pp.x. pp.x means this value. pp dot y means which value? This value. So both of them added up. Yes. So in that way you are looking at the program with the package. But we don't do all this. What we do then generally to create a package, we will say now here. I will write it here. Okay. And I will say new package. New package. So new package, I will say my pack. Okay, done. Okay. So where that is created? That is created along with the other package. Okay, now I want to create one more package. So new package. New package. So I will say your. Okay, okay, your. Now go to my pack. Click here. Say new class. So the class name I want to put as something like one. Okay. Yeah. So now go to your pack. I want to use something like TWO. Okay. Got it? So now what is my pack containing? My pack is containing class 1, class 1, class. Java file is just the source. Java file is just the source. So now it is basically the class file which is important. It is important. Class file is important. So did you do Java C minus D and all? No, not okay. So in Eclipse directly you can go for creating the packages here. Okay, so directly you can go for creating the file. So in Eclipse, we use the GUI tool. Okay, the GUI tool means right click, then get the package, right? Understand? Now, what is available there? Okay. What are the things that we have created? We have created so my pack. So what is there under my pack? My pack. Under my pack, what class is there? One dot class. So Java file you forget. So under your pack, what is there? Which class is there? 2 dot Java. Right? Am I clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now we will go to one class and we will have So public for now, everything I will make it public. Int x is equal to 5. Then public int y is equal to 3. Okay. Now, now I want to use this class 1 int x int y in the other package. In the other package. In your package. I want to use them here. Now tell me what to do. I need to say import my pack dot one. My pack dot one. We are importing. What are you importing? You are importing my pack. From my pack, what are you importing? You are importing the one class. You are importing the one class. And you can say one O is equal to new one. One O is equal to new one. Okay. Now we'll say simply O dot x plus O dot y. O dot x plus O dot y. So what is happening here? Okay, so just now I told you. So this is, so I'll give you a clear idea. So now let's say we have two packages. So now this is your pack. So in your pack, what is it? In your pack, what is it? In your pack, you have a class 2, right? Then there is one set. One is in my pack. One is in my pack. One is in my pack. Means you can just like this and it is here. Got it? Okay. Now, what we are observing here, your pack is containing 2. My pack is containing 1. Now, literally, I can import this component over here. This literally it is like one class also is here. One class also is here. Understanding my point? Yes or no? So what you are doing here? So you are importing this one. So like one, you have many other classes also. You can import everything, but they should be of public. They should be of public. So we will talk about the rules and all later. Okay? Understanding up to now? Got it clear or not? So one component we are importing here. Then we are using that one component by creating the object. One object we are creating and we are accessing xn1. Am I clear? Yes or no? So this is the concept of a package. Concept of a package. If somebody is using Java dot util dot scanner, what is the meaning of this? Scanner is a class available in util package. Util is available in Java. So it is a sub package. Okay, right. Okay, sir. Good. But how we can create sub packages? Okay, that also. Creating sub packages. Creating sub packages. Creating sub packages. Okay. Now, when you want to create a sub package, so let's go to the notepad again. Now, I want a package something like npack and spack. For main pack, S for sub pack. So now, what I want? I want my class to be in npack. Under npack, you will have spack folder. Under npack folder, you will have spack folder. And under spack folder, you will have propack. Understanding the point? Okay. So now we are. What I do is I just remove this multipack. Now again I will run. So how to compile it first? Java C minus B minus D for destination. So pack dot. Now my pack is created again, but inside that my pack, what is there? I think one. So now go to here. My pack, and under that my pack, what is there? S pack. Yes or no? So you only created my pack dot S pack. But what is created here? What is created? What is created? Sub package is created. What is created? Sub package is created. What is the code responsible for this? The code responsible for this, right? Understanding? Yes or no? So the code responsible for that is going to be this. Is that here? So whenever you are talking about impact.x, so whenever you are talking about doing this, okay, how we ran it? Okay, now how we will get the answer? So my pack dot impact dot impact dot dot pack dot pro pack. You got it? Yes or no? Why? Because we have created the subfolder. We created the subfolder. Now, getting the point, getting the idea, everyone. Yes or no? What is packages now? You got a clarity? Yes. So now, where is class ProPack? Class ProPack is in the SPack. Where is SPack? SPack is there in the MPack. What are SPack, MPack, and all this? Those are all the folders. They are folders only, no? Is there anything? Is it looking anything else? Is it looking like anything else? No, it is just a folder, but Java related folder. So that is why you are able to. That is why you are able to do what? You are able to access by importing. Okay. So there are some rules that we need to follow for importing. So private data will not go outside the class only. Forget about that. Okay. So default numbers will go outside the class, but will not go outside the type. Will not go outside the type. Okay. And protected numbers will go. Protected numbers will go outside the class, but with inheritance. So we'll discuss those things on a session. Okay. So that's it for today. Hopefully, everyone understood what is the package. Clarity you got what is the package. Public and all easy you can understand. So public means anywhere accessible. Public means anywhere accessible. Private means only accessible within the class. Default means only accessible within the package. Within the package. Okay. So protected means outside the package it will go. Outside the package it will go, but it should use inheritance. Should use inheritance. How it will use and all will